This Cajun crab jalapeno dip is straight out of a jalapeno popper lover's dreams. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our bacon. We want about 10 slices, and we're going to put them on some parchment paper to go in the oven. We're cooking these at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now for the dip, we're going to start out with some sour cream. Oh, that sounded gnarly. Then we have some mayo. Jalapenos, jalapeno business. Now for my dried seasonings, I have some salt, pepper, paprika, dried thyme, dried parsley, cayenne, and garlic powder. This is what I use to make my Cajun seasonings from scratch. We're gonna add our softened cream cheese. You just want 1 8-ounce block. And then last, we're just gonna keep it simple with some mild cheddar and Monterey Jack. Then just mix. Once everything is fully combined and looks almost like a Cajun tuna salad, we're good. I'm taking an Uncrustables break. When your bacon's done, take it out of the oven and reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer your bacon to your cutting board and let's chop it up. Now take your bacon pieces and add in about 3/4 of them. Let's see, we're gonna start there. And for the main event, we have our crab. And just give it a good mix. It's important that you mix this by hand because you want to keep all that nice meat intact. You want it to be chunky. The hard part is over. Now it's time to add our dip into our dishes and pop them in the oven. Then top it off with the rest of your cheese, some fresh parsley, and the rest of your bacon bit. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes or until they're nice, golden, and bubbly. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool down a little bit and enjoy. Delicious.